Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Nissan Altima battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and safety glasses. Make sure your Altima is turned off and the parking brake is firmly set. Safety is paramount, so always wear eye protection and gloves to shield yourself from potential battery acid or electrical sparks. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Locate your Altima's battery, typically found under the hood on the passenger side. Using your wrench, loosen and remove the negative terminal cable first. This is crucial for safety. Next, disconnect the positive terminal cable. Finally, unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps securing the battery in its tray. You can now carefully lift out the old battery. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. Before placing the new battery, clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors thoroughly with your battery brush. This ensures good electrical contact. Carefully set the new battery into the tray, making sure it's stable and secure. Then, connect the positive terminal cable first, followed by the negative terminal cable. Tighten both connections firmly. To finish up, reattach the battery hold-down clamp or strap to keep the battery secure. Apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals to prevent rust and ensure a longer battery life. Double-check all connections to make sure they are tight. Finally, start your Nissan Altima to confirm the new battery is functioning properly. You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.